Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on Realme Book Prime 14. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, then go to your settings. Here we can find time and language, date and time settings. You can set time automatically, and I would say that this is the best, so keep it as automatic. But if you want to manually change date or time, then you need to turn it off. And also there's a set the time manually. You can click on the change to pick your own date, month, year, time, minutes, and set it to AM, PM. When you're ready, click on change. But by doing so, you might lose some connection, like you might have a problem accessing websites and other stuff. So yeah, just keep set time automatically in case something goes wrong. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.